Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are searching for the ultimate hosting or coupon code that delivers the maximum possible discount, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to unlock an exclusive extra 20% off, something you simply won't get with any regular promotional code, which only offers 10% in the video description below. I have carefully listed my personal referral code for every country, written in your local language and showing the exact currency. Just click the link that matches your region and you'll land directly on the official Hostinger website. Once you're there, head to the top navigation bar and click on Products and Services. You'll instantly see the complete lineup of Hostinger hosting plans and solutions. The great news is that my 20% referral discount works across every single plan, shared hosting, cloud, VPS, WordPress, or any other service you need. To give you a clear demonstration, let's choose the Hostinger self-hosted N8N plan. On this page, you can compare all the powerful options KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. For today's example, I am selecting the KVM2 plan. Add it to your cart, proceed to checkout, and you will see the 20% discount applied automatically in real time. That's it, your savings are locked in instantly. If this quick guide helped you save even more on Hostinger, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future premium deals and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.